So let's talk about it. ZIK is well known for its powerful product research tools for eBay sellers. But did you know that since June 2024, the ZIK Analytics team has also released dedicated tools for Shopify product research and validation? Yes, and they are available for you today. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use those tools to level up your product research, uncover better winning opportunities, and boost your profit. So let's get started. As of today, these are the main tools ZIK has launched for Shopify product research and validation. And yes, even more tools are coming, and I will cover each one in this video. Now, in this video, when I say Shopify, ZIK for Shopify is actually built for sellers running independent stores on a variety of platforms, such as WooCommerce, Wix, and more. Now, let's start with the first and main tool of ZIK for Shopify, the Market Insights Dashboard. The Market Insights Dashboard shows you what's trending right now on Shopify based on data. It helps you spot rising Shopify stores, profitable products, and seasonal opportunities fast. This is the perfect dashboard to start your product research and gain fast data about what works. This dashboard is designed to be your main go-to place when starting product research or validating ideas. On the side, you'll see a list that's frequently updated with the top trending Shopify stores. Next to each store, you can see the store type, whether it's print on demand, a one-product store, or a dropshipping store. From here, you can click on any store and get a full analysis, including sales data, revenue trends, marketing channels, and Shopify apps they're using, and of course, their winning products. Next on the dashboard is trending products. And for dropshippers like me, this is one of my favorite daily quick wins. Every 24 hours, this list refreshes with brand new trending products you can potentially add to your store today. Simply click on the AliExpress icon next to the product to check how many times it's been sold. ZIK will automatically cross-check sourcing options from AliExpress. And for those of you working with private label or your own inventory, ZIK also shows sourcing options from Alibaba. To help you stay ahead with your product lineup and marketing strategy, ZIK also includes upcoming events, also known as the e-commerce calendar. Here you can see all the major sales events and holidays where online sales usually spike. You'll also see how much time you have before each event starts, along with trending keywords related to that holiday, giving you ideas for products, niches, and marketing angles.
The next tool is Store Sales Tracker.
And if we're talking about a true game changer that completely changed how sellers validate stores and discover new product opportunities, this is it. By adding any Shopify store URL, you will get a full store analysis with hidden data. It reveals data that Shopify doesn't show publicly. It lets you see best-selling products, revenue trends, store performance, and more. And it's ideal for validating if a Shopify store actually is making money and what strategies they used. Now, let's see this tool in action. Here I have a Shopify store called Dancin' Gaga. At first glance, it looks like a really nice store. But here's the problem. Just by looking at it, I can't tell if this store is actually successful. I also can't clearly see what their best-selling products are. And this is where the mindset shift happens. So watch what I do next. I copy the store's URL, go to the store sales tracker, paste the Shopify store URL, and click search. And can you see it? All the data Shopify doesn't share publicly is now available to us. I can see the store's monthly revenue, how many products the store has, how many units were sold
in the last 30 days,
the store creation date, and even the apps the store is using. I can also see which organic and paid traffic channels the store uses to bring visitors. And my favorite part, the store's best-selling products. Now you can clearly understand whether a store is successful and why it's successful. Is it their marketing strategy, product market fit, pricing, or something else? Either way, there's no more guessing. Now, let's take this one step further. I'll pick one of the store's best-selling products and see if we can source it profitably from AliExpress. For example, their top-selling product, DS Women's Customized Satin Heels, sold 58 times in the past 30 days. I click on the item finder, and there you go. The same exact product is available on AliExpress. If we sell this product in our own store at the same price, we can earn around $10.97 of profit per sale. And here's another important point. If I like this store, I don't need to scan it just once. Successful stores change fast. They consistently add new winning products and test new strategies. That's why I can save this store and scan it every 2 weeks and continuously adjust my own store strategy based on what's working right now. Now, in case you add a Shopify store URL that isn't already in ZIK's database, ZIK will start tracking the store from the day you add it. In less than a week, you'll already have enough data to understand the store's performance, and after 1 month, you'll have the complete picture. Before we jump into the Product Explorer tool, which is going to blow your mind, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to use the exact same tools I'm showing here, you can subscribe to ZIK today. Now, the next tool is the Product Explorer. And for those of you who need to add many products to your store or want to start a new store with products backed by real data that increase your chances of success, this tool is exactly for you. It helps you discover winning Shopify products using data-driven filters. It allows you to analyze demand, pricing, and market fit in seconds. And it's great for finding new product ideas without guessing. Now, let me show you how it works. Here in the Product Explorer, you'll get product results based on filters you set to match your exact demand. Every product shown is currently being sold in a real Shopify store along with its selling data, which means you already have enough information to understand whether a product has real potential for your current or future store. The level of control you have over the results is excellent. You can even choose the type of store the product comes from. Now, let me show you a very simple example. I'll set a filter to show products that are currently sold in dropshipping stores that made over $10,000 in sales in the past 30 days. After reviewing a few products, one really caught my attention: the magnetic levitating flower pot. I can see that it was sold 58 times in the past 30 days with a selling price of $175.28. At this point, I'm definitely interested. So I click on the AliExpress button to check if I can source it profitably. And look at that. It's the same exact product. And the profit? Over $100 per sale. When the AliExpress price is only $66.34, that's an incredible find. And if I want to understand why this product is selling so well, I can simply click on the detective icon. This takes me straight into the store sales tracker, where I can get a full analysis of the store selling this product and understand the strategies behind this success. The last tool I will cover in this video is the Store Finder. This tool helps you discover Shopify stores based on niche, keywords, or business model. It's perfect for finding competitors and brands to track and analyze. And it's a powerful way to build a list of stores that can inspire your next winners. Now let me show you this tool in action. Just like the Product Explorer, this tool has multiple filters. So you can discover and analyze stores you can take inspiration and insights from. For example, I'll keep the filter simple. I'll choose to see only dropshipping stores, and in the keywords, I'll add the word pet. This will show me only dropshipping stores in the pet niche. Okay, I can see many great options for Shopify dropshipping stores in the pet niche. Let's go with this one. It made $64,764 in the past 30 days. First, to understand the success formula, I can open the store itself and see how it looks. The CTA, color scheme, and overall design. Then I can go deeper into the hidden data by clicking on the spy icon. Here, I can get a full picture to understand what makes this store successful. I can review their marketing by checking the organic and paid traffic channels, and I can also review the store's top products and potentially add them to my own store. For example, let's check out the top winning product of this store. We have this cat scratcher bed, and I can see it was sold 21 times in the past 30 days. Now, if I look for a supplier, I can source the same exact product from AliExpress for $27.92 with free shipping, while the same product is being sold for $121.89 in the dropshipping store we found. That means the profit is $90.14 per sale, simply by working smarter, not harder. And that's exactly why ZIK Analytics for Shopify is such a powerful tool. You've now seen how to spot trends before they explode, validate real Shopify stores with hidden data, uncover winning products backed by sales, and reverse engineer successful stores instead of guessing what might work. If you're serious about building a Shopify store based on data, not luck, these tools give you a massive advantage. If this video helped you to see Shopify product research differently, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited to use. And if you want to use the same exact tools I showed you today, check out ZIK using the link below and start validating stores and products the smart way. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.